Welcome, welcome. Today we're going to be preparing some spinach dip, which would be a perfect game day appetizer. Let's get started. In a pot over medium heat, we're going to add some butter. 1 stick of regular unsalted butter and 3 sticks of garlic herb butter. Allow the butter to melt completely, something looking like this, and then we're going to add some spinach. Lots and lots of spinach, because we all know that spinach wilts to nothing when it's cooked. Go ahead and give it a good mix and add some more spinach if necessary, and continue to mix completely, because at this point, at this stage of the process, you really want your spinach to fully absorb the flavor of all that butter. So that looks about good. We're going to turn off the heat and drain the spinach. Try to drain as much liquid as you possibly can from the spinach. It is not going to lose any of that flavor at all. There's still plenty of flavor in there. And at this point, feel free to use a cheesecloth. Once you've drained all the excess liquid, return your spinach to the pot. Add 1 packet of regular cream cheese, about 8 ounces, half a cup of mozzarella cheese, also half a cup of sharp cheddar cheese, half a cup of parmesan cheese, about 4 ounces of whipped onion and chive cream cheese to add a lot more flavor, and about 4 ounces of sour cream. Give it a good mix so that everything can be well combined. Once everything is well combined, let's add some seasoning to taste, some red pepper flakes, some Italian dressing, some dried parsley, some seasoned salt, some black pepper, and give it a good mix. Give it a good mix looking something like this, a nice cheese paste. Once everything is well combined, let's go ahead and add it to an oven-safe bowl, because we're going to put this into the oven, a toaster oven or your air fryer. Layer it up with some extra cheese, some cheddar cheese, some mozzarella. Layer it up and we're going to put it into my air fryer. Just for a few minutes, and I mean a few minutes. Keep a very close eye on this because it's going to broil very, very quickly. And there you have it. Easy, simple. You've created your own homemade spinach dip. A perfect appetizer for game day. Enjoy.